Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a video on another keyword, and it's del. I was just thinking about it last time when we were doing list and we were doing index finding, and we need to go in and maybe remove. So let's just get to it. 4, 2, 6, 7. So alright, let's run this, and we call X, and here it is. So now let's say we want to just remove 4. Now del, it's not a function, it's just a keyword, so it works like this as an index. So last video we learned about indexing. So let's say we want to remove 4. It is in the first index position. Then we recall this. Lo and behold, it deletes that position and shifts everything down. So now let's say we wanted to find 2. So we wanted to do x.index 2. And we get it, it's in the first position. So now let's just speed this up and say that we just wanted to, we didn't care where it was. So we're going to do this. Now look at this. So this is going to give me my first index, right? So now we put it in here. Index 2. Close this out, bracket. So hang on a second. Let's not overcomplicate this. So X was our list. We put it in the index form. So that's right here, and it gets rid of it. So now I'm going to get my index position, which is 1, and that is of 2. So don't overthink this. Get my index, bam, put this in there. Python doesn't care. Python knows that this is 1. That right there knows that this is 1. So now we hit enter. Go down to our next prompt. Call this again. 2 is gone, and it shifts this down. So I just wanted to show you, whoops, and then we rerun this, and lo and behold, we have X again, and everything is back to normal. So this is just a quick little crash course on del. Very handy, especially when you're doing for loops and you need to remove variables so they don't continue to build or something like that. But I realized that we had not even done a video on delete the del keyword. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or my absolute favorite video requests. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.